Hey, subscribe to this channel. Get 2 free recipes every week, and these recipes are special. Like today's recipe, it's a curry. You're gonna love it. It's kind of sweet and spicy and wonderful, but the best thing is a surprise. There's a big surprise coming. It's coming right after this. Let's get cooking. Okay, so I promised you a surprise, and here it is. You know, one of my favorite things to do is to like make special French fries, right? Nicely seasoned, and then make it different, make it special. That's what today's recipe is going to involve. It's a curry, but we're going to serve it not on top of rice. We're going to serve it on top of French fries. Hey, isn't that great? Not only that, but we're not going to fry the French fries. Make it a little healthier. We're going to use an air fryer. Terrific! Let's get started with that. I got some great potatoes from my neighbor's garden. Hey, don't tell my neighbor. If he sees the video, I'll explain to him later. But wonderful. Hey, if you get potatoes right from a garden, that's fantastic. Otherwise, go to your supermarket, get some potatoes that way. Okay, I just want to cut these. Leave the skins on, just wash them. These are nicely washed. I'm just going to cut them in like 1/4 of an inch julienne. Hey, this is a terrific purple potato. It tastes just like potato, but it's purple. That means it has more nutrition. And this is just a plain white potato. Treat these purple potatoes just like a regular potato. It's got a nice purple color. It's got a lot of nutrition there. The darker the flesh of the potato, the more nutrition it has. Okay, so this is my air fryer. Very simple. I'm going to spray the inside with some oil just to make sure it doesn't stick. I'm going to add my potatoes. I'm going to spray a little more oil on top. I'm going to cook this 350 degrees, 15 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to make my Chic Pea Curry. And that's going to put on top of the potatoes. Wow, what a dish. I don't know if it's a curry dish or a French fry dish. Maybe a best of both of them. Fantastic. Alright, so first I have my chickpeas. I use a Goya. That's fine. Any chickpea will do. This is it seems that Goya is a very high quality chickpea. Look at the chickpeas. They're nice. They look fresh. They're not discolored. There's no like skins popping off them. Very nice chickpeas. I'm going to season with a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and about a teaspoon of oil. If you've ever seen any of my other videos, you know this is a tagine, wonderful cooking tool. It's like a pot. This is cast iron, and I have this lid. This lid is made of ceramic, so it's a little bit fragile. Be careful, but I like this tagine because of the bottom. Cast iron, very versatile. Okay, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. And 1 onion that's chopped about 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to cook this onion, no color. I don't want it to get brown. That's going to ruin the color of the curry. So no color on the onion. Remember that. Hey, I'm going to turn on the exhaust fan. Don't worry, I'm going to talk louder so you can hear me over the exhaust fan. It's important to put the exhaust fan on, otherwise your kitchen's going to get hot and smoky. Use the exhaust fan. It's good for you. Oh yeah. Okay, can you still hear me? fantastic. Okay, so the onions are halfway cooked. I'm going to add those chickpeas. Now I'm going to add 3 cloves of chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Now I'm using this ginger. It's already chopped and everything. Hey, sometimes I buy like the ginger root. I use half of it, and then the following couple of days I try to use the other half, and it's already dried out in the refrigerator and whatnot. This stays fresh long time. Very convenient, very nice, good product. I got a Costco, big size. You can get it at any supermarket though. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. Very nice. Now I'm gonna saute the garlic and the ginger with the chickpeas and the onion just for a minute so it gets nice and fragrant. Ooh, that smells delicious. Nice. Now I'm gonna throw in 1 cup of vegetable broth. Get 1 cup of diced tomato. That's like 1 can of diced tomato. I strained out the juice, so it's like it's equal to 1 can. All right, I need 1 tablespoon curry powder, just regular curry powder. Don't get fancy. Wonderful. Ooh, it smells delicious already. Simmer this for about 10 minutes just to get that flavors going together. Wonderful. Ooh, this smells terrific. Put that cover on there. Wonderful. Simmer for 10 minutes. I'll see you in 10 minutes. Hey, it's been 10 minutes. Ooh, this smells good. And it's perfect consistency. It should be a little liquidy, but it should be a little thick. It shouldn't be like water. It should be like the consistency of like heavy cream. A little thick, but not gloppy. That looks delicious. Okay, let's finish up this curry. Before I do anything else, I gotta taste. I gotta taste a little bit. Delicious. I'm gonna add some coconut milk, okay? Just a half a cup of coconut milk. Hey, this is the brand I use. You can use any coconut milk you like, fine. This is a good quality coconut milk. Okay, I add that coconut milk. That's gonna really give it a nice richness and a little bit of flavor from that coconut. That looks good. Okay, that curry's done. Beautiful. Fantastic. Wow. What a curry. Now, see, very easy to make good curry. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the French fries, then I serve the curry on top of the French fries. That's fantastic. The French fries are about halfway cooked. Wonderful. I'm going to throw them into a bowl. I have here half a teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, and a pinch of turmeric. Okay, what I want to do first, a teaspoon of oil. That's going to help the seasoning stick to the French fries. Then I'm going to season it. I put about half the seasoning in. Give it a toss. Put the other half of seasoning. Give it a toss. Ooh, it smells good already. I'm going to put it back in the air fryer. Gonna be for 380 degrees. Check it in 5 minutes. Okay, so here's how I like to serve this. Very special for very specific reasons. Gotta serve this a certain way. It's gonna be fantastic. Okay, get some of that sauce and get it on the bottom of the plate, like that. Yeah, I got a few chickpeas in there, that's okay, but it's a lot of sauce. Okay, then you got your French fries. The French fries go right on top of the sauce, like that. Ooh, beautiful. And then you got your chickpeas that go right in the middle of the French fries, like that. Hey, what about a little bit of cilantro for garnish? Oh, that's wonderful. How beautiful is that? It's fantastic. I'm going to eat this plate right now, and then about an hour later, I'm going to eat the rest of it. There'll be nothing for anyone else, because I'm hungry. Yeah, it smells delicious. Fantastic. Wonderful. Hey, you know what else is wonderful? I got a sweet potato couscous video. Blow your mind. It's really good stuff. You got to check that out. And I'll see you there.